Hi guys, thank you for stopping by. Today I'll be using a pack that I got online, Party Woo as you can see it, and the contents of the pack are the fishing line, this to tie the balloon, although I didn't eventually use it, but this is for tying the balloon. I got the glue gum and also the command hook. I didn't eventually use this command hook because it did not stay properly. It was not strong enough to hold my balloon. So here are the balloons that were used in this video. List of materials used will be in the comment section. The quantity, the sizes, the colors, and the accessories would be in the comment section. It's time to inflate our balloons, guys. We'll be inflating these balloons randomly. We don't have a precise size. There is no need for that. Just inflate the balloons into random sizes. Taking into consideration that we want to get more of a round shape than an oval shape. And in order to get that, we need to press down our balloon. Press it down. In order to get the rounded shape, it gives your design a more perfect outcome. I have a few confetti balloons. They are in different sizes and I love how these really came out. It gave the design a uniqueness to it. So after inflating the balloon, just tie it up, and then using a piece of cloth to rub around the balloon. Just rub it, be gentle with it while maintaining the firmness. Rub around and the confetti sticks to the balloon. It sticks around the balloon, giving it that design you want. This is our fishing line. It's the first time I'm using the fishing line. I've always used the ribbon. So let's see how this turns out. Taking the fishing line and wrapping it around our balloon in order to make a knot. Just make a knot to secure the fishing line in place. 1 or 2 knots is perfectly fine. And then as soon as we get it knotted, we are ready to start building our garland. Place a pair of balloon right over the first one and wrap the fishing line around the pair of balloon. Put it in place while making sure that your fishing line is not too tight in order not to pop your balloon. If it's too tight, your balloon is going to pop. Continue with the process of building the garland, mixing the colors and the sizes. And in case you're finding it difficult to build a garland because of the different sizes, you can use a small, that is a 5-inch balloon in between. This would help level up your balloon garland. Our garland is being set up, guys. I used the 260 balloon to secure it to the wall. I could not use the command hook from the pack. It was not firm enough, so I had to use the 260 to attach to a nail. Now I will be filling up the spaces on the garland. There are some spaces I want to fill up. I formed a quad with a 5-inch balloon. I use different type of balloon, different sizes of balloons. So for this particular one, it's a 5-inch balloon made into a quad, and I attached it to a 260 balloon on both ends. After attaching it to both ends, then I would use it to fill up the spaces on the garland. Different sizes were made, and they were securely placed and used to fill up different parts of the garland. There is a particular place I want to fill at first, so using our balloons tied to our 260 and then filling it up, tying it around, you know, the garland in order to secure it, and it fills up our space securely. Yeah, our garland is coming out so beautiful. I'll be repeating that same process in other parts of the garland to make sure that every space is covered. Just tie the 260 around the garland and you fill up any space. That same design can be used, you know, to accessorize some parts of the garland as well. So aside it filling up the spaces, it can also use to beautify the sides or any other part of the garland, because you're using different sizes and different colors. And here is another space up there that I'm going to be filling the same technique. So you don't have to worry when your garland is not perfectly formed. You can use these same balloons or technique to fill up the spaces. This is our garland, guys, although it's not the end result yet, but I already love what I'm seeing. It's coming out very beautiful. I like the mixture of colors, the gold, the white, the gray, and of course the confetti is coming out so beautiful. If you like this, please don't forget to give us a thumbs up, and please subscribe to our channel. Support us by subscribing. It's time to accessorize our garland. I got this hand fan like accessories from the park. Don't mind me, shakara too much for her. So yeah, I'll be using that, hanging it around some parts of the garland. Just the rope came with it, tied around the fan, secure it in place, and just put it in anywhere that you feel most appropriate or that you prefer. Here's our borboleta, as my Portuguese people would say it. I'll be using the glue gum to hold it on the balloons, different parts of the balloon of the garland. I'll be placing the butterflies to it. It gave it that added beauty. I placed it in different parts. I also placed some on the backdrops, and it really came out beautiful. So this is the outcome, guys. The butterflies on the backdrop, some of the fans around the backdrop, and this is the final outcome. The confetti gave it that unique beauty, and the gold color I love so much. It was my children's birthday, and this really made their day. They really loved it. So you can use this for any occasion, either a birthday, name reveal, and even photo shoot. Yes, you can use this for photo shoot, for any type of photo shoot, wedding, baby, name reveal, anything. This would come out so beautiful. Again, if you like what you're seeing, don't forget to give us a thumb up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Leave your comments in the comment section, and every material that was used in this video will be in the description section. If you have questions, just leave it in the comment section. I'll make effort to answer your questions. Thank you.